Hello friends, now we see the problem number 3, which is based on rules of differentiation of chapter differentiation. The problem number 3 is y equal to e raise x into log a plus e raise a into log x plus e raise a into log a. Now let's see the solution. The solution is quite simple. First of all, we start with the function that y is equal to e raise x into log a plus e raise a into log x plus e raise a into log a. Now here we use exponent law of logarithm. So by that exponent law, that k times log a to the base b can be written as log a raised k to the base b by exponent law. Therefore, the next step will be y is equal to e raise log of a raise x plus e raise log of x raise a and plus e raise log of a raise a. So this step we get by using exponent law of logarithm. Now again we use the rule that based on logarithm, that e raise log x is equal to x only. Therefore, the next step will be y is equal to a raise x plus x raise a plus a raise a. Now the simplification is over. Now we can differentiate the given function with respect to x. We get derivative of y is dy by dx is equal to d by dx of function a raise x plus d by dx of function x raise a plus d by dx of function a raise a. Therefore, the next step will be dy by dx is equal to, now derivative of a raise x is a raise x into log a plus derivative of x raise a is a into x raise a minus 1 and plus derivative of a raise a. Now here a raise a represent a constant function and therefore its derivative is 0. So in this way, finally we get dy upon dx is equal to a raise x into log a plus a into x raise a minus 1. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.